Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 legit ways on how to make money online. Ang good news about dito is you don't have to quit your full-time job at pwede mo itong gawin during your free time. If this is something na gusto mo, just keep on watching till the end of this video. Hi, if you're just new to this channel, welcome. By the way, this channel is all about making money online, self-development, and tutorial videos. If you're interested to these types of content, please consider subscribing. Hindi mo ba alam na you can make money online? Yes, that's right. And all you need is computer or phone with internet access. Kung ready ka nang malaman, let's get started. Freelancing. Ang freelancing ay isang paraan ng pag-offer ng service mo online in exchange of money. Basically, business all over the world. Kung meron kang skills na you think you're good at, head over to these sites and start making money. Number 2 is YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. YouTube is also one of the best ways to make money from ad share revenue, where you can simply use your phone to make money and upload videos. Just ask yourself, what type of content ba na you wanna upload? Magaling ka ba mag-budget? Maybe finance is good for you. Maybe mahilig kang mag-travel or mahilig sa food. Basta whatever the content may be, kung sa tingin mo na it works for you, just go ahead and do it. Then start uploading videos and grow your presence here and start making money. Alam natin na booming ngayon ang e-commerce business, lalo na during this pandemic. Kasi most people is ayaw lumabas ng bahay and more convenient to order online kesa sa mall. Kasi sa pila pa lang, it will definitely eat up your time. Kaya most people ngayon choose to sell their products online. Here in the Philippines, we have famous online platforms such as Lazada and Shopee. And the good thing about them is that you don't need a PC or laptop to sell online. But just simply using your phone, is you can start selling your item and make money. In addition, pwede mo rin i-take advantage of Facebook groups to sell your products to make extra on the side. Affiliate marketing is nothing more than you're acting as a middle person. You're working with a vendor, you're choosing a product you believe in, you want to promote. Maybe you want to promote it through email list, through online, or through social media. Then every time someone clicks your link and make purchase, you will receive a little cut from a purchase which is called affiliate commission. I believe Lazada and Shopee are offering affiliate programs. So all you have to do guys is to log on to Involve Asia and sign up kung gusto nyo mag-apply sa affiliate. Kung gusto nyo mag-apply as affiliate marketer sa Lazada and Shopee, also in other platform. For those na hindi pa alam kung ano ang stocks is simply a share that you buy from a company that you would trust. Let's say for example, bumili ka ng share sa SM na worth 4 pesos per share. Then after a few months or years, it became 10 pesos na yung price. So, yung upside nun is yun yung magiging profit mo. Basically, pag yung value ng shares mo is tumaas, you will make a profit. Some companies also offer dividends wherein you will get a small amount in the company if the company is doing well. Here in the Philippines, ang legit na website kung saan ka pwedeng mag-invest sa stock market are the following. If you'd like to register to those, just visit their website. So guys, there you have it. I hope that helps you. So guys, if I may ask you, ano sa tingin nyo ang sisimulan nyo to make money online, or Whatever it may be, just let me know in the comment section down below. If this content helps you, let me know by clicking the like button and share this video to those that might need this. Also, don't forget to subscribe para hindi nyo ma-miss pag may bago tayong uploads. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Peace, God bless, and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!